What up, y'all? This is my Glock 27 40 caliber made in Austria. This pistol comes with a safe action trigger. It's got the standard 9-round magazine, but it's got the optional 10-round, 15-round, 16-round, 13-round, 14-round, and 22-round magazines, and a 33-round ETS, but I don't recommend it. The weight of this pistol is 550 grams without a magazine, 605 grams with an empty magazine, 750 grams with a fully loaded magazine. The barrel length on this pistol is 87 millimeters or 3.43 inches. Like, comment, subscribe for the best gun videos. We just hit 1,000 and I'm doing free giveaways. Let go, let go.